So I've been getting a lot of inquiries about this video here, or the previous video that I put up about us being able to put some rod bearings in this engine here. So I've got a set of rod bearings here that came from Summit, and here's the part number on it right there. 6-50808 is an Apple. Brand new rod bearings in the package. These are standard size. I'm assuming that that's what the crank is here. And as you guys heard in the previous video, this thing had a very nasty and a very apparent loud rod knock. And so what I'm going to attempt and try to do today is we're going to go ahead and pull the oil pan, and we're going to see if we can actually put some rod bearings in it. Yeah, I'm going to have to spend a few hours on it, but hey, it is what it is, and let's see if our efforts pay off on this. Okay, so here we are, guys. The question is, did I end up putting new rod bearings in this engine, or did I end up replacing the motor? So at the end of the day, I ended up replacing the motor due to the fact that, one, it's just not a viable option just to go ahead and put rod bearings in an engine that had such a severe rod knock. Two, that other engine pulled the oil pan on it and the crank was pretty torn up on it. If you want to take the risk and put new rod bearings in something like that, go ahead. It's a more economical, viable option to put an engine in something like this versus replacing your rod bearings.